And if the transcript of the video that you have to extract and then process it with artificial intelligence is too long, and it's longer than 4,000 keystrokes, well, Copilot can't parse it. But there is an advanced prompting technique that you can use to have it parse it. I'll show you. Let's go to the video. In this case, I'm going to extrapolate the transcript to myself. I make sure there are no timestamps. I go and retrieve the whole transcript. I take it to a Word file to figure out how many keystrokes it is. In this case, 4,600 characters. I can't do that because on Copilot, I only have 4,000 characters. So what can I do? In this case, I will go to Copilot. And I will tell it, analyze the transcript of a YouTube video. I will send you a first part of the transcript. You will ask me for the next part, and you will proceed with that until I tell you that you are finished. When you are finished, you will proceed to create a presentation from that transcript. We will tell him to proceed step by step. Are you ready for the first part? Okay, let's go get the first part of the transcript. In this case, I'm going to take the first 2,906 lines, send it to Copilot. Perfect at this point. It's asking me for the second part. So I'm going to go to my Word file. I will retrieve the second part. I will paste it to him. He will do his summary and ask me to proceed with the next part. That was the final one. You can proceed to create a presentation. So let's say you have finished, and now you can proceed to create a presentation. The presentation that you are creating will be created on both transcripts, so on the full video. In this way, I was able to get him to analyze a transcript that was longer than the 4,000 keystrokes simply by having him work step by step. Then the context of the tokens that Copilot allows, you simply make it work. One step at a time.